Welcome to class, student. Today, we'll be looking at a very vital topic titled micronutrients. Micronutrients are an important group of nutrients your body needs. They include vitamins and minerals. Vitamins are necessary for energy production, immune function, blood clotting, and other functions. Meanwhile, minerals play an important role in growth, bone health, fluid balance, and several other processes. So vitamins are essential for immune function, for energy production, for blood clotting, and other functions such as wound recovery or wound recovery or healing for healing of wound. While minerals play important role in growth, bone health, fluid balance, and several other processes. Micronutrients are essential vitamins and minerals needed in small amounts by the body for various biological processes, including energy production, immune function, and bone health. They are crucial for overall health and well-being, and deficiencies can lead to serious health consequences. So, as I look at the micronutrients, we have the sodium, potassium, magnesium, calcium, iron, vitamins, vitamin C, vitamin B, vitamin E, and vitamin D. We also have zinc and sodium. These are examples of micronutrients. Key components of micronutrients. We have definition. Micronutrients are nutrients including vitamins and minerals that the body requires in small quantities compared to macronutrients like fat, carbohydrates, and protein. Importance: they play a vital role in metabolism, human immune function, growth, and overall health. Examples: common micronutrients include vitamins A, C, D, E, B12, and various minerals like iron, calcium, zinc, and iodine. Sources of micronutrients are primarily obtained through a balanced diet, including fruits, vegetables, and fortified foods. Deficiency: deficiencies in certain macronutrients such as iron, vitamin A, and iodine can have sufficient health consequences. Deficiency in certain macronutrients such as iron, vitamin A, and iodine can have significant health consequences, especially in children and pregnant women. Fortification: food fortification and supplementation can help address micronutrient deficiency, especially in low and medium income countries. For more comprehensive understanding, consider exploring specific topic on macronutrients. Specific macronutrients: learn about the roles and benefits of individual vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C for immunity or calcium for bone health. Dietary recommendation: understand the recommended daily intake of micronutrients for different age groups and individuals. Types and functions of macronutrients. For types of macronutrients, we have the water soluble vitamins such as examples are vitamin C and vitamin B. We have the fat soluble vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. We have the macro minerals such as calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and sodium, and trace minerals. Examples are iron, zinc, copper, iodine, selenium, magnesium. We have types and functions of macronutrients. Water-soluble vitamins. Water-soluble vitamins readily dissolve in aqueous solution and cannot be stored effectively in body tissue. When consumed when consumed in excess, these vitamins are typically eliminated through urine, making regular dietary intake essential. Most water-soluble vitamins function as coenzymes, facilitating crucial biochemical reactions, particularly those involved in energy metabolism. B complex vitamins. vitamin B1 facilitate the conversion of nutrients into usable energy. We have riboflavin, that is B2, essential for energy production, cellular function and lipid metabolism. Niacin B3 drives energy extraction from consumed food. We have the pantotenic acid, critical for synthesizing fatty acid. We have the pyridoxine B6, enables glucose release from stored carbohydrates and supports red blood cell production. Biotin B7 participates in the metabolism of fat, amino acid and glucose. We also have the folate B9, fundamental for popular cellular division process. We have the cobalamin B12, vital for red blood cell formation and optimal nervous system function. We have the vitamin C absorbic acid, required for neurotransmitter synthesis and collagen production. The primary structural protein in the skin. Due to their inability to be stored long time, maintaining adequate intake of water-soluble vitamin through regular dietary consumption is crucial for sustained health. Fat-soluble vitamins requires lipid for proper absorption and are stored in liver and adipose tissue for future utilization. These vitamins should ideally be consumed with dietary fat to maximize absorption efficiency. The four fat-soluble vitamins are vitamin A, D, E and K. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining proper vision and supporting organ function. Vitamin D promotes immune system health while facilitating calcium absorption and bone development. Vitamin E functions as a powerful antioxidant, protecting cells from oxidative damage while supporting immune function. Vitamin K is necessary for blood coagulation process and proper bone formation, while macrominerals are inorganic substances required in relatively large quantities to support various psychological functions throughout the body. Essential macronutrients are the roles. We have calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, sodium, chloride, potassium, and sulfur. Calcium forms the structural foundation for bones and teeth while supporting muscle function and blood vessel contraction. Phosphorus are integral components for bone matrix and cellular structure. We also have the magnesium, which participates in over 300 enzymatic reactions including blood pressure regulation. We have sodium. Sodium functions as electrolyte, obtaining fluid balance and blood pressure stability. We have chloride, typically paired with sodium, helps regulate fluid balance and produces digestive secretion. We also have potassium, intracellular fluid status, while supporting nerve transmission and muscle function. We also have sulfur, present in all living tissue and incorporated into amino acid methionine and cysteine. We have the types and function of macronutrients. We have the calcium. Sources are from milk products, leafy greens and broccoli. We have the phosphorus. The sources are from salmon, yogurt and turkey. We have the magnesium from almond, cashews, black bean. We have the sodium from salt, processed fruits, canned soap. We also have chloride from stew, seaweed, salt and celery. We also have sulfur. Sulfur sources is from garlic, onions, sprouts, eggs, mineral water. We have potassium. Potassium is from lentils, bananas. Trace minerals, though required in smaller amounts than macro minerals. Trace minerals perform highly specific and essential functions within the body. These include iron for oxygen transport, zinc for immune function and wound healing, and selenium for antioxidant protection. The trace minerals and some of their functions are iron helps provide oxygen to muscles and assists in the creation of certain hormones. We have the manganese, assists in carbohydrate, amino acid and cholesterol metabolism. We have the copper, required for connective tissue formation. The zinc, necessary for normal growth, hormone function and wound healing. Iodine, assists in thyroid regulation. Fluoride, necessary for development of bones. Selenium, important for thyroid health, reproduction and defense against oxidative. So look at the trace minerals and sources. We have iron is from oysters, white beans, while manganese is from pineapple, copper from liver, from crabs. We have zinc from oysters and crab. We have iodine from seaweed, from yogurt. We have fluoride from fruit juice, watercraft, and we have selenium from Brazil nut, sardines, and ham. So health benefits of micronutrients: for immune support, for bone health, for energy production, for cognitive function, and health heart. So for immune function, we have vitamin C, E, and B6, as well as zinc play a role in maintaining a strong immune system. For growth and development, we have micronutrients like iron and vitamin D are vital for healthy growth, especially in children. We have for brain development, folate and other B vitamins are crucial for brain development and cognitive function. We have energy production. Vitamins and minerals are also involved in energy metabolism and help the body convert food into usable energy. We have blood clothing. Certain micronutrients like vitamin K are also essential for blood clothing. We have bone health. We have calcium and vitamin also are vital for strong bone and health formation. Disease prevention: adequate intake of certain micronutrients can help reduce the risks of chronic diseases like heart disease and certain cancers. Micronutrient deficiency: vitamin D insufficiency widespread among American families due to limited sun exposure and inadequate dietary sources. We have a vitamin B12 depletion particularly affect vegans and vegetarians who avoid animal products, as well as older adults experiencing reduced absorption capacity. We have vitamin A shortage most prevalent in developing countries regions, especially affecting women and children with limited access to diverse food sources. We also have iron deficiency commonly observed in preschool children, menstruating women, and individuals following plant-based diets. We also have calcium inadequacy affects by approximately 20% of men and 10% of women over age 50, potentially compromising bone health. We also have the consequence of this deficiency may vary by nutrient but can significantly impact bodily function and overall health outcomes, making prevention through adequate nutrition essential. Macronutrient toxicities: while less common than deficiencies, macronutrient toxicity can occur and cause serious health risks. Fat soluble vitamin A, D, and K present the highest toxicity risks due to their storage in liver and adipose tissue, unlike water soluble vitamins that are readily excreted. Thank you for listening.